In plastic film manufacturing, one common issue that impacts productivity is blocking. Blocking happens when plastic film layers stick to each other after extrusion, cooling, winding, or storage. With thinner film and faster lines, blocking can cause difficult unwinding, back sticking during filling, and frequent stoppages on automated packaging lines, leading to more scrap and higher costs. It's usually a combination of smooth surfaces, residual tackiness, static charge, and pressure from tightly wound rolls. Higher storage temperature and long storage time can make it worse. That's why anti-block additives are essential. Fatty acid amides solve this through controlled surface migration, also called blooming. During processing, they're dispersed in the polymer melt. As the plastic cools, their solubility drops, so they migrate to the surface and form a thin wax-like lubricating layer. This layer provides two benefits. 1. Lower friction for smoother handling and unwinding. And 2. Microscopic separation between layers, reducing direct contact and sticking. Anti-block additives are used in packaging films, shopping bags, agricultural films, POPP and cast films, and they can also help in injection molding by improving lubrication and mold release. For best results, formulation control matters. Correct dosage, uniform dispersion, and compatibility with the polymer help prevent issues like uneven slip or surface defects and protect downstream performance like printing and sealing. Topwellgoal supply high-quality additives for anti-block, thermostability, and consistent performance. Contact us for more information.